It looks very much like a old school camcorder. Right, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. I am going to be unboxing my first film camera. My birthday is coming up shortly and my parents asked me what I would like, and I asked for a Yashica Samurai 3.0. So let's get this unboxed. So I bought my particular one from Cameras by Max, and I chose them because I know that they do a lot of extensive testing of their cameras before they resell them, and for me personally that was important because I have heard horror stories of people buying this camera from other places and it doesn't work. So yeah, the other great thing about Cameras by Max is that they don't use plastic in their packaging, which is quite rare. So let's open this bit first. Okay, so here is the camera. I'm pleased it came with one of these, I'm not sure what you call them, let's just call it a cord, because it wasn't mentioned in the description of the item, so I thought I would need to buy one, but I'm pleased that I didn't. And then it's actually come with a lens cap as well, because that also wasn't visible in the image. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks very much like a old school camcorder. For those that don't know too much about this camera, it is a half frame camera, which means that on a roll of film it will take up half of a normal frame. So it's quite quirky. A lot of people like to make images that look like diptychs, and if you don't know what a diptych is, it's a picture where there's two images that are stuck together and there's like a line down the centre. This camera allows you to do natural diptychs, which I'm really excited to play around with. And yeah, we won't get too much into the settings and such of this at present, but I'm going to play around with it a little bit. I might do another video in the future showing some images that I take with it. I have, I believe, what's it, 72 pictures to take on one film, so that will be interesting to see how quickly I can get through 72. But yeah, it's quite weighty, but I just like it because it's quirky, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I can capture with it. I also really like taking nature photography, so I'm intrigued to see what nice pictures I can get in the garden. But yeah, so that's the camera. I'll pop that carefully to one side. Okay, then we have a little pouch, and it has some film in it. I've got black and white film. I'm going to buy some colour film as well though, because I actually do prefer coloured film. So I think what I'll do is I'll save this one for another time. It's got a good date on it though anyway, so I've got plenty of time to get round to it. And what else do we have in here? Oh, we have some stickers. Okay, so we have a Cameras by Max, one that says Blame Me, and 30% off my first order at Gullaby. Never heard of Gullaby, but okay. Right, let's pop these back in here carefully. Then it also comes with this little guide on things that I should know about the camera, how to load the film, and so on and so forth. So yeah, really helpful, a little cheat sheet to get me started. But yeah, that's my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you would like to see a video where I go out and about and show you the images that I managed to get with the camera.